G money rise, G money rise. Yeah. Can't slow down, might get a speed ticket. G money rides, known for popping willies. Cops pull me over, then they let me go. Catch me if you can, or eat my dust, bro. G money rides, G money rides.
Oh, puppy dog. Kind of looks like her owner. Oh. Hey, so what's up, people of YouTube? I finally got the Black 7 back, so I can actually talk to you again. As you can see, I got the Hero 18 on the front again. Now it looks kind of weird. Before it looked weird without it. So yeah, just a quick update on that. Hey guys, today's video is going to be a little different. I got nominated for a challenge by Full Throttle Junkie, and the challenge is called 3 Up 3 Down Challenge. And basically what it is, it's you name 3 up-and-coming, good up-and-coming YouTube channels, and 3 bigger name channels that you watch that you think are good. But the trick is, you have to have the front wheel in the air when you name the channel. That's the 3 Up 3 Down Challenge. So we're about to start it. My first up-and-coming YouTuber who also spreads his stuff on Facebook is Maple Leaf Rider. He's up there in Canada, so he gets those silly Canucks up there and what they're doing, and let me tell you, he's got plenty of bad drivers up there that they're just kind of the same as down here, just crazy drivers, bad drivers, shouldn't be on the road drivers. My second channel is Way Pride, and oh shit, I'm sorry, hold on. My second channel is Way Pride, because she's a super nice lady in Australia. Puts out all kinds of cool videos and stuff on Instagram that just makes you laugh your ass off. My third up-and-coming YouTuber is another one of those Aussies from down under, and that would be Moto G Spot. He does some really cool editing, and he's pretty damn funny. Makes me laugh all the time. I know his videos take some time to do, because he does, you know, complete setups where he moves the camera around and stuff, and rides by them. So he puts a lot of work into his stuff. Go check him out. And then my 3 bigger channels that I watch. The first one is Fortnite, and he's a really good reviewer of products. If you don't watch him, watch him. He'll tune you in on some of the, you know, crappy shit and some of the really good shit that you can get, you know, your money's worth on. My second guy, big YouTuber I watch, is Walterific. He's got a plethora of bikes. He's got like 4 different bikes. He just got rid of his R8 Audi, and he's got a Jeep that he's doing an engine swap on to make like 800 horsepower. I've been watching him since he had like 2,000 subscribers, and he really hasn't changed. He's just got more toys, but he's still really funny, still a super cool guy. And then oh shit, okay, we'll make a pass down here. And then the third big YouTuber that I watch, he's not huge, should be, but he's not, is Brian, oh shit, I'm sorry, hold on, is Brian636 up in Chicago. Dude does wheelies that make mine look so puny. I mean, he does like no-handers, and you know, yeah, he's riding a stunt bike, but he's one of the best, dude, one of the best I've seen. He does all kinds of crazy shit, and he does really cool shit too, you know, yeah, just all kinds of ride outs, and it's very cool. Go check him out. He does he's got a couple series. He does like hood eats where he goes around the Chicago area and takes you to, you know, eateries out of the way, and also he gives you a lot of history and perspective about what has happened in Chicago and what's going on there now, and it's you know, unvarnished statistical real facts. So yeah, go check him out. So honorable mention goes to, wait for it, Full Throttle Junkie. I missed third time that time, but Full Throttle Junkie, this guy's very, very cool. He is like a jack of all trades. I've seen him working on old bikes, new bikes. He goes camping on bikes. He you know, he rides horses. This dude does all kinds of stuff. So you never know what you're going to get when you click on one of his videos, but it's going to be good, which is very, very cool. And then finally, I'd like to nominate Moto G Spot for the 3 Up, 3 Down challenge. And I'm going to get out of here before I get busted by the police. But there you go, guys. That's the 3 Up, 3 Down challenge. Thanks to Full Throttle Junkie for nominating me. It's been a blast.